I love music, any kind of music. It can be opera, it can be classical, it can be rock and roll, Elvis. Just give me music. Of course, I don't dance anymore, but I've danced enough. I am fighting to live well with MS. When I speak to the care team at CVS Specialty, it's like there is someone holding out an invisible hand to you. And as you feel that you're sinking, this person is there to lift you up. They care, and it's not phony. That's CVS Specialty.